Well, hello there. I'm Détroit. I have been on this platform for 3 whole years. I created this channel exactly 3 years ago, on the 1st of March of 2020. It's been a wild ride. It's been really fun, but also stressful, and fulfilling, and time-consuming, and 1,000 other adjectives. When I started this channel, I was just turning 23. I was finishing my engineering school studies as well as my master's degree. Now I just turned 26, and I'm almost at the end of my PhD. In 3 short years, I've made hundreds of drawings. From these drawings, 258 turned into videos for this channel. I went from having no following to 65 subscribers after 1 year, then 330 after 2 years. Now there are 664 people following my work. In total, this channel has received about 56,000 views. I have no idea if, in the grand scheme of things, this is a lot or not, but for me it certainly is a huge number. I have started to sell my work and make commissions. My art skills have skyrocketed. I have learned so many things and found so many opportunities for the future, and it's all thanks to the people who watch me draw. I can't thank you guys enough. Here's to a 4th year. Cheers.